Welcome back to the Brooklyn Brothers. Today we're going to show you how to make chicken piccata.
Beautiful
Check
dish.
this out. Oh, it smells so delicious. All right, let's get cooking.
All right, we're gonna get our chicken ready for our chicken piccata. I got a couple of chicken breasts pounded out already. Let's go ahead and pound this out too.
It's real important to cut all that fat off before you pound it. You don't want to get that gristle in every. Nice. Ready to go.
Yeah, we're ready. All right, we're gonna season our flour with salt and pepper also before we put our chicken in there. All right, we're also gonna salt our chicken a little bit here. Salt and pepper, actually. All right. All right, we're gonna put some butter in here, and we're gonna cook our chicken breast in here a little bit first before we make the sauce. Okay, you want to flour your chicken. Nice chicken breast.
Yeah. Oh, nice. Oh, yeah. Oh, perfect.
Cook it in the sauce a little bit here.
Now you want to cook it halfway. Very nice. Oh, that looks good.
Beauty.
Smells good too.
Put the rest of our chicken in there.
Perfect. Fry up.
And that's it.
All right, chicken's ready. We're gonna start our sauce now.
Beauty.
Shen.
All right, we're gonna chop up a little garlic here. I think that should do it. I'll use one more piece. we're gonna add some butter in here with the garlic.
Nice. Did you know that chicken piccata is actually an Italian-American dish? Go figure.
Like spaghetti and meatballs.
Yeah.
They don't have spaghetti and meatballs in the restaurants in Italy we went to.
Yeah, no. You know, like they did start the veal piccata, but chicken was more popular here in the States. You know what works really good with this also is pork. Pork is really great with this piccata sauce. Instead of using the chicken, it's really good.
All right, we're gonna add our capers. You don't want to use too many capers because it's very salty, the capers.
Yeah.
Beautiful. Small capers. I like the small ones better.
Yeah.
All right. Good looking good. We're going to add a little wine in there.
Oh man, that smells freaking awesome. I love capers.
We're going to add our chicken stock in there now. We'll save a little bit because we don't want to let that come to a boil. A little parsley in there. And some lemon. That's okay, it's got the seeds in there. Spit them on the floor.
Did you hear him, Mom? Did you hear what he said?
What did he say?
He said he's going to spit the seeds on the floor.
All right, we're going to put a little more butter in there.
Oh yeah, that is good. It smells good, huh, Mom? You're full? Well, more for us then.
Well, yeah, that's the done. So, I'm going to go ahead and put the chicken in now.
All right.
See that? It thickens it up already because of the flour on the chicken.
Beautiful.
I might add some little. Oh, baby.
Oh, that is beautiful. Some more butter in there. Nice. How was it, Chef?
Very good. Perfect.
Good. Looks great. Very nice.
Nice and lemony. You can taste the capers. Not too strong, but
Very nice. Wow, that looks great. It's nice and creamy already.
oh yeah.
Look at that.
Might have to add a little more. See, oh yeah, this is done. Oh yeah.
Ready?
Yeah, we're gonna turn it off and let it sit there for a minute or so, but we're ready.
All right. You ready, Mom? Oh, that looks beautiful.
I want to see because I never seen this dish.
You never seen piccata before, Mom?
I've seen it, but not making it.
Oh. How's it look?
It's very creamy. Yeah.
Yeah, it's beautiful. That is beautiful. A work of art. Check out this chicken piccata. Rose, you smell that chicken, huh? Yeah, give me a plate now.
Don't be bashful. Put me some sauce on it, man. What are you doing?
Piccata sauce.
Oh, beautiful. That's good.
Oh yeah.
So tender.
Very good.
Also, too, if you want to do a side of spaghetti, angel hair pasta with this,
Oh yeah.
you know, you can just put the angel hair in the bottom of the plate, and then put your chicken and sauce right on top of it.
Oh yeah.
Very good. Wow.
Really good. How piece of bread? Dip it in that sauce.
You spread them out.
And we'll dip it right in here. Oh yeah.
Make sure you don't double dip. Like George Costanza on Seinfeld. Double dip this chip.
Hey, thanks for watching, everyone. We appreciate the subscribers. We'll see you guys next time. Have a good night.
See you next week. Bye.